Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Here is an informative tutorial about creating a CSV data viewer using Wxpython. Wxpython Tutorial 07, CSV Data Viewer. In this tutorial, we will create a simple CSV data viewer using Wxpython. We will use the wx.grid.grid widget to display the CSV data in a tabular format. Step 1. Install Wxpython. If you haven't already installed Wxpython, you can do so using pip. Step 2. Create the CSV data viewer. Here's a sample code to create a CSV data viewer using Wxpython. In this code, we define a CSV data viewer class that inherits from wx.frame. Inside the class, we create a wx.grid.grid widget to display the CSV data. The load_CSV_data method reads the CSV file, parses its data, and populates the grid with the data. Finally, we create an instance of CSV data viewer, show the frame, and start the Wxpython event loop. Step 3. Create a CSV file. Create a CSV file named sample_data.csv with some sample data that you want to view in the grid. Step 4. Run the program. Run the program, and you should see a window displaying the CSV data in a tabular format using Wxpython. That's it. You have successfully created a CSV data viewer using Wxpython. Feel free to customize the code further to add more features or improve the user interface.